What is up, everybody? This is Moritz here from Section Store once again, and today we are going to be having a look at this product slider or collection slider or just image slider, whatever you want to use it as. You can use those little arrows to navigate through the images. I think the whole design is looking really nice and you still have all the possibilities in the world to customize that, and I'm going to show you how you can get this one into your store in a few easy steps. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing I did for this is that I headed on over to the Shopify App Store where I did get the Section Store app. It's a component library with over 220 full customizable Shopify exclusive components, and you can find the one I used in this video simply over here. I'm just going to navigate over there. That is the one. It is called Slider Free. Like I said already, the app itself is completely free, but we do have to charge a little bit of money for that because we also have to pay for our food. And like I said already, you're going to save yourself a lot of time, money, and also still have all the customization options in the world. For example, if you would get that one coded by a developer, it would cost way more than $9. So I think at the end of the day, it's a no-brainer. So yeah, let's get straight into installing the whole thing. So after successfully buying the section, just head on over to the My Sections area of the app. We have to do one last thing before you can use it, and that is to add it to the theme you're using. In my case, it is the Dawn Live theme, but it does work on every theme, so don't worry about that. Then simply open it up in the theme editor right here. Already done so to save you some time. So this is the one we were seeing in the test store, and if I would start completely from scratch, I would just scroll all the way down, type in slider free, and this is how the default version would look like. And if I would want to chuck in one new picture, I just click on one of those blocks right here, and here we can already see we can select an image. Let's just use this one. Here we have the text underneath, and also we can paste in a URL here. I'm just going to select the random product of my store, save it all up, and this is already how you add a new product collection or whatever you prefer. And in the last step, I would like to show you how you can customize the whole thing itself, and that is by clicking on the main block of the whole thing. I'm just going to use this one because this has a bit more content already. So here I could change the headline. Let's just do that. Change it to our products. Here you can see already it's getting changed immediately, and we can even change the font. So if you want to stick with something looking more like that, this is also possible. We can change the size, the positioning, whatever you name it actually. Same goes with that text, the button right here, and some more things we can do. I'm going to show you down here. So you can even decide how the button is going to look like. So if you want to have a non-outline button, that is also possible. If you want to have a button with arrow, that is also possible. And yeah, if we scroll down a bit more, we can also decide what shape the images actually are going to have. If you want to go clean, you can just pick the square, and even those you can edit in size, but I want to switch back to the, maybe we're going to go with oval. This also looks nice. Here we can add a little image border thickness. Let's make this one a bit smaller. I think this is looking cleaner. And yeah, bunch of more things you can do with this whole thing. If you switch to mobile, you can see the whole thing is fully responsive. We also made sure of that. But yeah, let's go back to the desktop view because that is a bit nicer to show on this tutorial. Here we can decide if we want to see the arrows or not, the ones you can see right here. So if I would deselect that one, you wouldn't see the arrows anymore. Same goes for mobile. And over there we can change all the colors. So I'm just going to give you a really random example. If I want to have a really punchy background, for example, I could go for something like that, but I will switch back to gray because I think this is looking really clean. Let's save it all up, have a final look at it in the live version, and we can happily round it up. And I hope you guys found this video useful so far, and if you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow. And as you can see here, change the background color, also the shape of the images, and it is still fully functional, which pretty much brings me to the end, and I hope you guys found that useful. And if you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out.